Hello everyone, welcome back. So hope you have utilized the levels which I've shared in yesterday's video. So I was guiding in my free WhatsApp community since day beginning. So we were having the commentary here in my free WhatsApp group. So when this candle is created in 24,450 PE, I clearly said if the PE sustains about 250, then only we will see down move in Nifty. So immediately, so I have shared this chart as well. So this candle was closing below this level. I said our next target will be 24,340 to 370. If you see on the chart, when this candle closed, what was our target exactly tested? 24,340 to 370. For this, we have taken the PE trade as well. In the free WhatsApp community, I have given PE trade as well. When market went above, we waited for a pullback. We entered in this pullback at 239, 240, and our stop loss was just 10 points, and we captured till 300 rupees in this. So we captured almost 50, 60 points in the first trade. So if you see here, this is also here. I said if you still want to hold with proper risk management, 330 can be the target on this. So when this 300 reached, I asked them to book because we have tested this level and market will take support at this level. So we have exited at 300 and immediately market taken support here and it has reversed from here. Though we have not traded in CE, we have captured two movements. This is the one trade we captured in 450 PE, and again this is the another trade we re-entered at 253 and we have exited close to 270. So we have captured two trades in PE itself during the day today, and there is another trade which I said in CE to 24,450 CE. When price was trading here, I asked them to wait for this pullback and then enter. So when I posted this, immediately price came down. So from here price came down and price tested this level, and I asked them if a 1 minute green candle close here, we are going to enter. So 1 minute green candle closed, we reduced the target because of the fall, and we have achieved this target in 24,450 CE. Again we have captured 20, 30 points here as well. So we have taken total three trades today, two PE and one CE, and we have achieved that both three targets as well. Okay, so this is what the live commentary which I will be giving in my free WhatsApp community. This is not any paid group. You can come here, join, and you can learn something from the stock market based on my views which I'm sharing. You will get to learn many things from the market. So I will be sharing that link here below in the description. You can go ahead and join that link. So now what is there for tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow again it is same levels, there are no change in levels. So in case if a 15 minutes candle close below 370, 340, 370 zone, then our target will be 24,240 to 280 zone. In case if market closes below 240 to 280 zone, so our targets will be here. So our targets will be this level. So we are going to come and test this zone for sure. So we will be coming here, we will be testing this zone. Again this is 24,140 to 24,110 zone. So I will just write here so that you guys, 24,120 to 24,144 zone. Sorry, it is 120, 24,120 to 144 zone. This is the zone we'll be coming and testing in case if we close below 24,240. So for the downside, 15 minutes candle have to close if market opens flat or little gap down. So whatever it is, if market opens here or little gap up, if it opens gap up, if it hit this trend line and take a resistance. So in case if market opens flat and goes upside, or if market opens little gap up and go upside, hit this trend line, and if you see a rejection candle here, okay, your first target will be this zone, and breakdown of this zone, your target will be 24 240 to 280, and below this zone your target will be 24 120 to 144 zone. Okay, this is what I am seeing tomorrow in Nifty. So in case if market opens flat or little gap up, if you see a 15 minutes candle closing above this trend line, wait for the pullback, and in this pullback if you are seeing a 3 minute green candle even, Okay, you enter on top of that candle, your stop loss will be below this trend line, and your first target will be 24,470 to 500. So in case if market closes a 15 minutes candle above this 24,500 level, then only we will be seeing again 24,620 to 655 level, and above this, if a 15 minutes candle close, we are going to see 24,700 to 24,720 level. This is the max upside target I am seeing in Nifty, and this is the max downside target I am seeing in Nifty. Just keep it simple, just follow the levels and trade accordingly based on the candle closing. Wait for the candle to close either upside or either downside. So this is my view in Nifty. If we go back to Bank Nifty, again in Bank Nifty, yesterday what we discussed, if market opens flat or little gap down and comes back, test this zone, and if it creates a 5 minute or 3 minute candle closing above this zone, so we are going to enter long by keeping this low as the stop loss. So obviously this is the first candle, so first candle low we are going to keep as the stop loss, and I clearly said from here our target will be 57,500 only. So exactly market came close to this level, again came back to this level. If you see, two times market have taken support exactly at this zone. So these are not normal zones which I'm sharing here. Please give importance to these zones. Okay, these are very very crucial zones which I'm sharing here. You will not get to see in any of the YouTube channel videos these levels. Okay, so our bullishness, as I clearly said, in case if market closes a 15 minutes candle above 57,500, then only we are bullish, and we are bullish only max up to 57,800 to 870 zone. Above this, if you see, I have not given any levels only. So this is the max level I have given because I know market will not move upside today. So that is where my conviction was. That is the reason I have not given multiple levels upside. Giving multiple levels upside is of no use because market will not go upside. So market came down and market again taken support here. Now tomorrow it is simple. Okay, again if you see a 3 minute or 5 minute candle closing above this zone, you enter here, you keep stop loss here, and your target will be 57,500. Above this your target will be 57,800 to 870. Above this, wait for a 15 minutes candle to close, not a 3 minute or 5 minute candle. Wait for a 15-minute candle to close above this zone if you are looking for this target. Okay, if you are scalping, 3 minute 5 minute candle close should also be fine. For scalping 10, 20, 30 points, that should be fine. Okay, so now for the downside, if market opens flat, okay, if market opens flat or little gap down, test this level again. If it closes a 15 minutes candle below this level, we will enter downside at the close of this candle, and our stop loss will be above this zone, and our immediate target will be 56,680 to 720 zone. Again below 56,780, 680 to 720 zone, our target will be 56,490 to 540 zone. So this is the target I am seeing in Bank Nifty. In case if market slides below this level also, so our immediate target will be this zone. Our immediate target will be this zone, which is, let me write that level for you, 56,153 to 56,210. So this is our next target below this zone. Market will straight away slide back because if you see here, this week have already tested all these swings. All these swings got tested by this week. So this, any of these swings is not going to hold the price here. Market will straight away come to this level. If a 15 minutes candle closes below this level, we see this as our target in Bank Nifty. So this is the max target for tomorrow in Bank Nifty if it has to go down. Again, this is not a joke. So again, this is almost 1,000 plus points. Let's see, from here to here it is almost 890 points, close to 1,000 points. So this is the max fall we can see tomorrow in case if Bank Nifty have to give a dip. But trade accordingly with the levels based on the candle closing. Don't just blindly enter trade here and there. You will unnecessarily make loss. If you see from last 3-4 days, Nifty is giving a move after 3 p.m. only. During the day you will get one move upside and downside. If you see during the day, you will get one move and then market goes sideways, and after 3 p.m. you see these three candles, you'll get a up move. Okay, till then market will be sideways again. Here during the day you got this move, again total sideways, again at 3 p.m. you got this move. Okay, same thing here also. During the day it have given a move, again went sideways here. After 3 p.m. you got these two candles. Okay, in this move there was no movement in the premiums. So from almost 3 4 days market is doing the same thing. If you see here also, again during the day before 10 10:30 you are getting a trade. From 10:30, after 10:15 10:20 you see market go sideways, whole sideways. After 3 p.m. you will get this move. So from almost 3 4 days market is behaving the same way. So market cannot do the same pattern throughout the week or throughout the month. So it have to break this pattern. So tomorrow we can expect a big move either upside or downside. Be ready for that move and just trade based on the levels. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. And just one small announcement I wanted to make. This Saturday I'm going to conduct a webinar on stock market. So here I will be covering intraday, positional and swing strategies as well, just for 299. This is not just 299. For 299 you will be getting almost 1 lakh worth of knowledge in this session. Okay, more than strategies, all those things, you will get 1 lakh worth of knowledge in this session. Your trading style itself will change if you attend this session. I will be also sharing this webinar link along with this video in the description. You can go check the details, and if you are really interested then only you can join, or else not required to join. So thank you everyone for watching this video.